So we're pressure testing this ice maker line. We capped that end there. We want to make sure there's no leaks there. We came out of that valve. We went into the ice maker line that goes behind the wall. And there's our gauge in line. We're just waiting to make sure it doesn't move. And then we know we got no leaks. So it's been a little over 5 minutes. Gauge ain't moved nowhere. It's only a 12-foot run, so I know there ain't no leaks. All my fittings are dry. We're all set. This is the completed job. We had to use these hammer arresters back here because of all these solenoid valves. Everything here is perfect. And that's the ice maker tie-in we were talking about. Water's back on, no leaks, nothing. Everything looks okay. Another one done. That's the switch for the disposal.